Craving your favorite DoorDash meal but stuck without a credit or debit card? No sweat, I'm about to show you how to use Cash App on DoorDash for a hassle-free feast. First things first, make sure you've got the latest versions of both the Cash App and DoorDash apps installed on your smartphone. Open your Cash App and check your Cash App balance. Make sure you have enough moolah in there to cover your DoorDash order, including delivery fees and tip. If not, you'll need to add some funds. Tap Add Cash and follow the steps. Next, you will need the Cash Card if you've already activated your Cash Card. Awesome! If not, you will need to request and then activate the Cash Card in order to proceed with this tutorial. Tap on the Cash Card icon in the app. Then view your Cash Card details. You will need the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Keep these details safe and don't share them with anyone. Now, fire up your DoorDash app, tap on Account, and then select Payment Methods. This is where we'll add your Cash App card info. Tap Add Payment Method and choose Credit, Debit Card. Then carefully enter all the details from your Cash App card, the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double check that everything is entered correctly to avoid any errors. When you're ready to place your DoorDash order, proceed to checkout. Make sure your Cash App card is selected as the payment method, and that's it. You're all set to enjoy your DoorDash delivery using your Cash App balance. You can now use your Cash App to easily order through DoorDash. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome tips. Enjoy your meal.